Welcome to Is Exodus Web3 Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the Exodus Web3 wallet and additional resources can be found in the description below. The Exodus Web3 wallet is a feature-rich, browser-based cryptocurrency wallet tailored for seamless interaction with decentralized applications, dApps. Designed for crypto enthusiasts exploring DeFi, NFTs, and other blockchain technologies, it provides a secure, user-friendly gateway into the world of Web3. One of the standout features of the Exodus Web3 wallet is its extensive compatibility with Ethereum and other EVM-compatible blockchains, enabling access to a broad range of dApps. Whether you're staking, trading, or minting NFTs, the wallet integrates effortlessly, making it a versatile tool for advanced users while remaining intuitive enough for beginners. Its multi-asset support includes major cryptocurrencies, tokens, and NFTs, ensuring all your digital assets are accessible from one place. Security is a core strength of Exodus. Your private keys are encrypted and stored locally on your device, ensuring you retain complete control over your funds. Since the wallet operates as a non-custodial solution, no third party has access to your keys or assets. Additionally, the wallet's integration with Trezor hardware wallets offers enhanced security for those managing larger crypto portfolios. Exodus Web3 wallet excels in usability, featuring a sleek interface that provides a balance of simplicity and functionality. The wallet makes interacting with smart contracts straightforward, eliminating the steep learning curve often associated with Web3 tools. It also syncs with the Exodus desktop and mobile apps, creating a unified experience across all devices, perfect for users who manage their crypto across multiple platforms. For those focused on DeFi, the wallet integrates seamlessly with decentralized exchanges and offers token swapping directly within the interface. Its NFT capabilities allow you to view and manage your collections, while real-time portfolio tracking ensures you stay informed about market changes. In conclusion, the Exodus Web3 wallet is a secure, versatile, and highly accessible tool for anyone navigating the expanding Web3 ecosystem. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, it's designed to enhance your crypto experience. Links to explore Exodus further are provided in the description below.